Debbie with the Crafty Diamond. Today's video is going to be a destashing for me, and I have just way too many diamond art clubs right now, and I've gone through, and these are some that I have bought a while back, and I just have enough to where I have a really good stash, and I need to destash these so I have more space, and also the fact that I would rather them be given love to someone else than to just sit on my shelf. So there's no other reason than that. I don't need the money or anything like that. It's just I need to clear out some of this, and that way I can focus on the ones that I really want to do and the ones that I think that I will get done. I'm not in the near future, but eventually. So anyway, what I have done is put sticky notes on each box, and I've put a number on there along with the price. I'm going to show you that sticky note. I'll give you just a little bit of information, and then I will show you the thumbnail that's on the box. These are all brand new. There's nothing wrong with them. Some may not have a toolkit, and if you really want a toolkit, let me know. I've just pulled those out on some of them, and some of these I haven't even opened. One thing that's really important for you to know and understand is that if I sell these to you, then the Diamond Art Club's warranty will be voided, so you will not have that opportunity if you run out of drills or if anything happens. Diamond Art Club will not be responsible, and they will not give you anything because of the fact that you didn't purchase them directly from them. So keep that in mind. I have not looked on the website to see if they still have some of these, so you may also want to look there. Some of these are less than what I paid, but none of these are more. I'm not trying to make a profit. I just want to recoup some of the money that I put into these. Shipping will be extra, and if you're interested in one of these kits, if you will just send me the number that's on the sticky note, and then also the name of the kit and your zip code, and I will look to give you an estimate on shipping. If shipping is more than what I estimate, then I'll just pay the difference. But if shipping is less, then if it's less than $3, I will go ahead and I will refund the money to you if you want me to. I only take PayPal, and unfortunately right now I can only ship in the US because it's going to be too pricey to ship these internationally, because some of these are larger and some of them do way more. So for right now, I am sorry, but it's for US only. So I have 22, and let's go ahead and get started. They're not in any particular order either. Number one is $55, and this is Canine Christmas. I hope that you can see that. I'm not going to open the boxes, but it's Canine Christmas, and this is by Randall Spangler. It is a square diamond, and it is a 70 centimeter by 95 centimeter, or 27.6 by 37.4 inches. And again, that's by Randall Spangler, and it is number one at $55. I'll try to move this out of the way. Number two, oops, sorry, I just almost knocked the camera off. Number two is $55. This one has not been opened. This is Magical Meeting by Josephine Wall, and it is a 95 centimeter by 70 centimeter, and it is a square drill. And this one hasn't been opened. I had bought one, and my daughter wanted it, so I bought another one, and then she decided when she saw mine that it was just too much confetti for her, and so she didn't want it. And so I am going to sell that one because of that. Otherwise, I love Josephine Wall and wouldn't sell. Let me try to straighten out the camera. It's kind of hard the way I have this. The next one, number three, this one is $40. And this one is the Violinist, and this is by Marjorie Sonart, and this is a square. It is a 56 centimeter by 76 centimeter, or 22 by 30. And there is the actual thumbnail in the box. Again, it's $40, and it is a square. That one has been opened just to check, but nothing has been taken out of it. This one is number 4, and this one is at $65. This is a Randall Spangler square. It is Curl Up with a Good Book. It's a 70 centimeter by 70 centimeter, or 27.6 by 27.6. And here's a thumbnail one more time. Number 5 is $60. It is Dark Moon, and this is by Willow. It is a square, 70 centimeters by 76 centimeters, 27.6 by 30. And it has not been opened. The plastic is still on it. So that's number 5, and let me move these and get 5 more. Okay, number 6 is Electric Lion. This is an older one. It does come with one glow in the dark. It is $35, and it's a round, and here is the thumbnail again. It is a 51 by 61 centimeter. I don't know who the artist is on that one, does not say. This one is Christmas Morning by the Mcneil Studio, and this is number 7 at $65. This has never been opened. The plastic is still on it. This one is Christmas Morning. It goes this way, and it's a rather large one. It is a square, and it is a 105 centimeter by 70 centimeter, or 41.3 by 27.6. Number 8 is Dragon Attack. You can see that. And that is by Ciro Marchetti. It is a 91 centimeter by 70 centimeter, and this one is $65. Number 9, this one is Secret Garden, and this is another Josephine Wall. It has not been opened. It is a 70 centimeter by 88 centimeter, and this one is $65. And this is another one that I had purchased. I was going to make it for somebody and decided not to. I do have the other one in my stash. Because it's so large, I decided that I'm going to do another one for her. And this one is an older one, but again, it is brand new. Number 10 is $50, and this is a round. It is called Polanyi by Micah Jelena, and it's of a cat. It is 76 centimeters by 51 centimeters. Then I have Christmas Gnome Trio, has never been opened. This is a round. It is number 11, it's $50. And this one is 76 centimeters by 56 centimeters, or 30 by 22 inches. Okay, number 12 is a mystery kit by Stanley Morrison, and it is of a dragon. That's all that Diamond Art Club tells us. This one is $75, and it's just the mystery kit. It is 70 centimeters by 89 centimeters. Never been opened on that one. Then I have number 13. This one is $55. It is a square, and it is The World I Used to Know. It is a 56 by 71 centimeter, or 22 by 28 inches. And I'm not sure who the artist is on that one either. The older ones, I don't think Diamond Art Club put the artist's name on the outside. This is number 14. This is $50. It is a square. And this one is Reflections by John Sloan. And this is a 71 centimeter by 56 centimeter, or 28 by 22 inches. Number 15 is going to be $50. And this one is Dragon of Fire by Robin Pinoy. And this is a 56 centimeter by 74 centimeter. So that's 1 through 15. And let me move these out of the way and get the others. Okay, this one is number 16 at $40. This is a square, and it is Willow by Lynn. And this is 42 centimeters by 59 centimeters. Number 17 is $50. This is a round. This is Dia Art Candy Cane by Sherry Baldy. And this one is a 51 centimeter by 71 centimeter, or 20 by 28 inches. Number 18, this one is $50. It is a round. It's Swan Lake, and that's dark because it is a dark painting. And this is a 55 centimeter by 109 centimeter, and this is by Claudia McKinney. It's 21.7 times 42.9 inches. So that's Swan Lake. Number 19 is $45. It is a square. This is Melinda and Muhu by Lynn. It is a 47 centimeter by 66 centimeter, or 18.5 by 26 inches. Number 20 is $55. And this one is a square. This is Country Inn and Farm by David Mclean. This one may cost more to ship, just giving you a heads up, because it is very heavy. There's a lot of drills in here. It is a 98 centimeter by 70 centimeter, or 38.6 by 27.6. And that's what it looks like again. Number 21 is Alice, and this is $55. It is a square, and this is by Constantine Kalini, or Kalin. I'm looking at this upside down. And this is, again, it's a square. It is Alice, and this is 51 centimeters by 71 centimeters, or 20 by 28 inches. The last one, number 22, is $55. It is a square, and this is Adeline by Micah Jelena. And here is this one, and this is a 80 centimeter by 70 centimeter, or 31.5 by 27.6. And there's no obligation on any of these. I'm not expecting anyone to buy any of these. I just thought I'd put it out there to see if anybody's interested. And if they're not, then I will either keep them, or I may even donate some of these to a shelter that we have with our church. And it is a women's shelter, so I may end up doing that, or I may end up keeping a couple of these myself. If you are interested, please send me an email. I'll have the description information below, but it's the craftydiamond1, the number 1, at gmail.com. And if you will put that on there, put the number that you're interested in, and then the name if you can remember. If you have any questions on any of these, just let me know the number of what you're having questions on. I'll be glad to answer your questions. And it's going to be first come, first serve. So whoever purchases it, first, then you will have that opportunity. And I'll give 48 hours once I tell you how much that's going to be with shipping. And if you're not interested, then the next person, that there's someone in line, will have that opportunity. And these are the only ones that I'm selling. I do have quite a bit more in my stash, but I'm not selling any others. So if you have something that you're looking for and it's not part of what I've shown, unfortunately, I either don't have it, or I am not going to sell it at this time. Thanks so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.